For homeowners in Doral, maintaining a comfortable and efficient home is a top priority, given the city's tropical climate and high energy demands. Energy-efficient windows offer numerous advantages, making them an excellent investment for any homeowner. Here's why upgrading to energy-efficient windows can make a significant difference in your comfort, energy savings, and even the overall value of your home. Significant reduction in energy bills. One of the most noticeable benefits of energy-efficient windows is the reduction in energy costs. Doral's warm climate often requires extensive air conditioning, especially during the hot summer months. Standard windows tend to allow more heat into your home, forcing your cooling system to work harder. Energy-efficient windows are specifically designed to minimize heat transfer through features such as double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames. By reducing the amount of heat entering your home, your air conditioner doesn't have to work as hard, leading to lower utility bills. Enhanced indoor comfort. Energy-efficient windows help create a more stable indoor temperature throughout the year. They reduce hot spots and temperature fluctuations that occur when the sun's heat passes through traditional windows. During cooler months, these windows work to retain heat indoors, and during the warmer months, they keep the heat out. This leads to a consistently comfortable home, making it more enjoyable for you and your family. Improved home value. Installing energy-efficient windows is a significant selling point for potential buyers, should you ever decide to put your home on the market. Many homebuyers are willing to pay a premium for homes that feature energy-saving upgrades, such as modern windows. The initial investment in energy-efficient windows often pays off by increasing your home's resale value. In a competitive real estate market like Doral, having this added feature can set your property apart from others. Reduced environmental impact. Energy-efficient windows are not just beneficial for homeowners, they're also great for the environment. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you are lowering your carbon footprint. The reduced demand for energy helps conserve natural resources and minimizes greenhouse gas emissions. For eco-conscious Doral homeowners, energy-efficient windows are a small change that makes a big difference in promoting sustainable living. Enhanced UV protection. Many people underestimate the damage caused by UV rays entering their homes. Energy-efficient windows often come with special coatings that block a significant percentage of harmful UV rays from entering your home. This protection helps reduce fading and discoloration of furniture, flooring, and artwork, preserving your interior decor and extending the lifespan of your belongings. With the intense sun exposure in Doral, this feature is particularly beneficial. Noise reduction. Doral is a lively and vibrant city, but sometimes the hustle and bustle can become a bit overwhelming. Energy-efficient windows often offer better noise insulation compared to traditional windows. The use of multiple panes and insulated frames creates a barrier that minimizes outdoor noise, allowing you to enjoy a quieter, more peaceful home environment. This benefit can be particularly useful if you live near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas. Condensation control. Energy-efficient windows help reduce condensation on glass surfaces. Condensation can lead to mold growth, water damage, and a host of related issues. With their improved thermal performance, these windows keep the interior surface temperature higher, reducing the likelihood of water vapor condensing on the glass. This keeps your window frames and surrounding areas dry, protecting your home from potential structural issues and health hazards associated with mold and mildew. Increased durability and longevity. Energy-efficient windows are typically constructed with higher quality materials and advanced technologies that enhance their durability and lifespan. This means fewer repairs and replacements over time, saving you money and hassle. Given Doral's intense weather conditions, having long-lasting, durable windows is a wise investment. Conclusion. Energy-efficient windows offer an impressive range of benefits for Doral homeowners, from reducing energy bills and enhancing comfort to boosting home value and protecting your interiors. As you consider ways to improve your home's efficiency and sustainability, upgrading to energy-efficient windows can be one of the smartest decisions you make. Not only do they create a more comfortable living environment, but they also contribute to a greener future for Doral and beyond. Investing in energy-efficient windows is a win-win for you, your wallet, and the environment.